Wash your shower glass with this sponge, and it will stay clean for 2 weeks. Limescale and residue won't build up. This simple trick saves a lot of cleaning time. Take a regular cleaning sponge, ensuring it's clean and new. Grab a dishwasher tablet, remove its protective film, and take out the protruding ball. Press it against the sponge and cut out a rectangle the size of the tablet. Remove the cut piece of sponge and insert the tablet in its place. The tablet works wonders during cleaning, as its active ingredients effectively combat limescale and residue. Wet the prepared sponge under running water, letting it soak thoroughly. Use it to clean the dirty shower glass. No additional detergents are needed. With every stroke, the tablet dissolves and removes buildup. Clean the glass using circular motions, then rinse with water. This method keeps your shower looking clean for longer. The dishwasher tablet prevents limescale from settling on the glass and adds shine to metal parts, making your bathroom look as good as new. The modified sponge lasts for multiple uses and costs only pennies to make. Drop them in the drain, and the result will surprise you. The problem of clogged pipes will disappear in seconds. I'll show you how to unclog the drain with something you probably already have at home. First, clean the sink of any visible hair and debris. Sometimes these are caught on the strainer and just need to be removed. Then, take a liter of vinegar and boil it, preferably in a kettle. Let it sit for a moment. Drop 2 aspirin tablets into the drain. Pour the hot vinegar over them. Be careful not to pour hot vinegar on the porcelain sink, as it might crack. Pour the vinegar directly into the drain. You'll hear a characteristic bubbling sound, and foam may start to come out of the drain. When you hear the bubbling, pour a liter of boiling water into the drain. The aspirin, along with the vinegar and boiling water, will unclog the pipe, also neutralizing any unpleasant odors that occasionally come from the pipes. As you can see, a very effective mixture for unclogging drains is the combination of aspirin, hot water, and vinegar. Use baking powder in the shower. The properties of baking powder aren't just for baking cakes. I'll show you how it can help you achieve amazing results, and it's not in the kitchen. It will help you get rid of stubborn dirt and save you a lot of money. Take a glass container and pour in some baking powder. Thanks to its chemical properties, baking powder can be an effective cleaning agent. Next, add dishwashing liquid. Then pour in the same amount of dishwasher rinse aid. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly. Once they are perfectly combined, take this mixture to the bathroom, specifically to the shower. Apply the mixture to silver elements. It will remove all water stains and soap scum. Thanks to the baking soda in the baking powder, it dissolves greasy and soapy residues that accumulate on shower surfaces and tiles. Then rinse everything with water. You'll see the results immediately. With this cleaning method, limescale won't build up on your faucet for up to 3 weeks. Using a dishwasher rinse aid, you can easily remove accumulated limescale and residue. Limescale and buildup on faucets and shower heads are common issues, especially in areas with hard water. Hard water contains high concentrations of minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which leave stubborn stains and streaks on surfaces. Regular cleaning and proper care are key to tackling this problem. The solution? Dishwasher rinse aid. Applying this product to faucets and shower heads is a quick and effective way to remove buildup and achieve gleaming surfaces. Its acidic formula breaks down tough stains, while its protective properties help prevent dirt and limescale from forming again. To use, simply apply a small amount of rinse aid to a cloth or sponge and gently polish the surface. The rinse aid not only removes limescale and residue, but also leaves a protective coating that keeps surfaces cleaner for longer. With this method, your faucet and shower head will shine like new. Enjoy long-lasting cleanliness and a polished look in your bathroom. When guests are about to arrive, I sprinkle this on the carpet, and it's as good as new. It's a simple and cost-effective way to quickly refresh the carpet. You don't have to send it for professional cleaning, and you don't need to use harmful chemicals. You can bring back its luster and fresh scent using a homemade method. And the best part is, it won't break the bank. Carpets accumulate dust and dirt. Even regular vacuuming doesn't clean them effectively. It becomes a breeding ground for bacteria, germs, dust mites, and mold. That's when it starts to develop an unpleasant odor, and that's when you can quickly freshen it up. This method works for all types of carpets, even the soft, long pile ones by the bed. This homemade and eco-friendly carpet cleaning solution will also get rid of dust mites and eliminate mold spores. It deters ants and even bed bugs. The unpleasant smell of staleness and dirt will vanish. Before you quickly freshen any carpet at home, make sure to vacuum it thoroughly first. Then reach for a household item from your kitchen cabinet that will tackle the bad odor, dust mites, mold, and even bed bugs. You can use it as often as you like. Just sprinkle it over the carpet. It's good to distribute it evenly, so you can use a sieve if you want. Then spread it across the entire carpet with a clean broom or brush. The magic ingredient here is baking soda. It will not only eliminate the bad smell and various organisms that may have settled in, but also refresh the colors and clean away minor stains. How do you clean your carpet? Place the shower head into a plastic bag. For this trick, you'll need a regular plastic bag. Put it in the sink and fold it to form a pouch. Then grab some toothpaste and squeeze a generous amount into the bag. Add baking soda on top of the toothpaste and pour in about 300 milliliters of vinegar. You'll notice a chemical reaction happening. This clever use of natural ingredients works wonders. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a nice scent. It's an eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. Tie the bag around the shower head, making sure it's fully submerged in the liquid. Leave it for 30 minutes, and you'll find the bag filled with bits of limescale. The mixture of these ingredients helps break down tough limescale deposits. This simple method will deeply clean your shower, preventing limescale buildup and extending the life of your equipment. Plus, it's inexpensive and easy to make at home. Laundry detergent in the toilet. This is a game changer. Have you ever had guests over and realized while cleaning that you're out of toilet cleaner? The stores are closed and you're out of your usual cleaner? Don't worry, we have a brilliant trick for you. I never thought of using laundry detergent this way until I stumbled upon this tip. Many times I struggled with cleaning without knowing about this trick. Thanks to the surfactants in the detergent, it effectively removes dirt and grime. Additionally, the water softeners in the detergent help remove limescale. All you need to do is sprinkle some laundry detergent around the toilet bowl. Let it sit for about 15 minutes to allow the detergent to work its magic. Then grab a toilet brush and thoroughly scrub the bowl. This method will clean the toilet completely. Finally, flush the toilet. Your toilet will be sparkling clean. I no longer use special toilet cleaners. I'm sure that once you try this trick, you won't go back to using them either.